Hello, welcome back to Ion CG Max. Today we are looking at a max geometry problem. So here the question is given when semicircle inside a rectangle is given, one chord is there. You have to find the value of x. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad problems are uploaded. Please go through them. Thank you. Let's solve this problem together. So here, let R be the radius. So this is R. This total is also R. Here you have to join this diagonal. This is also radius R. That is the logic here. Now if you take a triangle OAB, OAB is a right angle triangle. In triangle AOB, at O it is 90. As per Pythagoras theorem, so here r square plus x square whole square is equal to x plus 3 whole square. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. R square is equal to x plus 3 whole to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4. That you are getting first one. Now if you take a triangle OBC, it is also right angle triangle OBC, because it is a rectangle. B is 90. Here also you will get R square is equal to x square whole square plus x plus 1 whole square into x plus 3 whole square. So here this is also radius, this is also radius. We are making them equal. Let it be 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, x plus 3 whole to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 is equal to x power 4 plus x plus 1 whole square into x plus 3 whole square. Now here you have to expand. So here I am writing first x square plus 6x plus 9 whole square minus x to the power of 4 is equal to x to the power of 4 plus x square plus 2x plus 1 into x square plus 6x plus 9. Now again I am expanding this. X to the power of 4 plus 36x square a plus b plus c whole square plus 81 plus 12x cube plus 108 x plus 18x square minus x to the power of 4 is equal to x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube plus 9x square plus 2x cube plus 12x square plus 18x plus x square plus 6x plus 9. So here x power 4 get cancelled. Here if we add this term, some single terms will get 2x power 4 plus 8x cube plus 22x square plus 24x plus 9. Now we are sending all the terms to one side. 2x to the power of 4. Here 12 minus 8 minus 4x cube minus 32x square minus 84x minus 72 equal to 0. So if you take 2 common, x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube minus 16x square minus 42x minus 36 equal to 0. By trial and error, x value will get 6. X minus 6 into x cube plus 4x square plus 8x plus 6 equal to 0. So you will get this by Horner's method. Therefore x value is 6. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.